Music has been a very big thing in my life to the point that I have a playlist of 200 songs. So today I decided that we will be making playlists. And since sets are changeable, unordered, and don't allow for duplicates, which we don't really want the same song in one playlist, we'll be using them. So to make a set, we need to name it. So we can do our first playlist, which is K-pop, and then we'll use curly brackets. In these curly brackets, we can have numbers, we can have strings, we can have doubles, floats, whatever we want in the same set, but since we're just using songs, we will just use all strings. So we'll do our first song, which is Honey by BTS, and then we'll do uh, Ride, oops, Ride the Vibe by Next, and then lastly we will do, oops, we will do Please Don't by K-Will. So now we have one set done, and we need to do our other two. So let's do that. So we'll do Sad, oops, our curly braces, and then we'll have Need To by Pine Grove, and that will be our only song for that one. And then we'll do Mellow. And then in this we will have Disco by Surf Curse. And lastly, we will have What Once Was by Hers. So now we have our three playlists. However, I feel like that they aren't completely complete. So we will be first adding a song to Sad, and then we will also be removing a song for Mellow. So let's start with Sad. So I feel that we should add Please Don't to Sad, as Please Don't is a very sad K-pop song. So let's do Sad, add, this is how you add a song to a set, or add an element to a set, and then in these quotation marks we will be adding what we want. And since we're adding a string, that's why we use quotation marks. So we will add Please Don't by K-Will. Beautiful. And then, like I said, Mellow has disco in it. Disco, if you really listen to it, is not really mellow. It's more like upbeat. So we will have to remove it. So let's do the name of the set, and then discard because we are removing it. And we'll put the name of what we're trying to do. So we're doing Disco and then Surf Curse. Okay. Now that I feel like our playlists are complete, we will be making mixed playlists. So for our first playlist, I want to do K-Cry, aka sad songs and K-pop songs. So we will be using intersection. Intersection basically means it'll look at the first playlist you put and see what songs is the same in the second playlist as the first one, and then make a playlist for that. So we need to name our set because our playlists are sets. So we'll do Cry equals, and then we'll do the first. So let's say sad. So we'll say sad intersection, and then we'll do K-pop. And then, as you can see, we also have a mixed playlist we want to make. So we will name our set Mix. And then for this one, we're going to be using Union. Union basically means take this playlist stuff and take this playlist stuff and put them together. So we'll take, let's say, Mellow. Let's start with Mellow this time. So we'll say Mellow, Union, and then Sad. Okay, beautiful. So now that we're done with all of our playlists, they're all complete, we should print out our playlists. But since it's the same printout thing, it's the same idea for all of them, let's just print out one. So we can just print out the mixed playlist. So before we even want to print out our stuff, we kind of want to say what we're printing out. So let's do print, and we'll say the songs in mix, okay, and my mixed playlist is, and then let's figure out the song. So how we do this is we do a for loop. So we'll say for, and then our index name. So we'll just say song index. So we know that it's an index and we know what it's for. and then we'll say in mixed, because that's the playlist that we want to spit out. And then we'll just print each of the songs. Wonderful. So now we can save this. And since we're doing our mixed playlist, the hope is, if we look up, well, we have the one initial sad song, then we added a sad song, and then we already have 2 in the mellow playlist. So our goal is to have 4 songs in the mixed. So let's save it, and then let's print it out. Python 3, the name of our file. Wonderful. We actually have 3. Let's look at this. So in mellow we have, because we took out this one. I forgot about that. So since we took out this one, we'll actually have 3 songs in it. And that is why you need to go through your code to make sure everything's right. But yeah, that is playlist.